can't see it. Oh, it's settled.
This is my voice, my strength.
Oh my God! Literal fireworks show. Oh my God, guys, this is so cool. I'm preparing dinner here. Anyways, wow, fireworks show while eating. This is the best day. Also, today's Independence Day, which explains what the fireworks. Today we're eating sushi. Oh my God, that was like insane. Fireworks, guys, fireworks, amazing. Anyways, I'm gonna make it for this video, but maybe if more fireworks show up, I might show it a bit longer. Also, look at the background. It's pretty dark until you see the fireworks. But I guess this is it for the video. See you later. Oh my God, guys! Oh, shut! I just found that. Oh yes! Fireworks, guys! Fireworks! This is amazing. This is gonna fill it for my video. Like a whole hour of fireworks show. Boom! Yes. Oh my God! This will be the perfect video, baby. Anyways, I think they ran out of firecrackers. Anyways, let's just wait for more firecrackers to show up. Wow, that was beautiful.
你要照谁啊？你是照你自己还是照外面啊
I'm making a video, Dad.
Okay. Sorry.
Wait, what? Wait, was that a firework? Should I end this video? Or should I continue the firecrackers? Firecrackers, come on! Come on. I don't think they're coming out anytime soon. Also, I'm gonna put some Queen of Me on the screen next day. Although tomorrow I have school, Sunday school. I mean, summer school, so this is a better view of it. Dark. I'll have to be careful. Any fireworks show up, I have to record. I'm just gonna wait here. Should this be a perfect time to end the video? I don't know. In this video, I'm just gonna be talking about things. Anyways, and see the fireworks. There it is. What did I say? Fireworks. Oh my God! I caught that on camera. Yo, that's so cool. Dude, oh my gosh, guys, this is amazing. Oh my wowzers! Yo, another one! Oh, this is the best day ever! Now, fruit, pizza, sushi, and fireworks! And a new video, let's go! I think the fireworks show's ended. Oh, sorry guys, gotta go. And please subscribe below. Fireworks! Just kidding. I can't end this video right now. More fireworks are showing. Wow! This has a lot of nourishment. Yo! Fireworks, guys. That's so cool. Guys, this will be the perfect video. Yo! How is there so much firecracking? Whoa! This video will be like 4 minutes long right now. Oh my God, guys, this will be the best day. Yo! I'm just gonna come. Yeah, the video will continue. If there's any more firecrackers and the pen. What was that? Haha! Found ya! There's firecrackers. Right there! That was amazing! But sorry guys, gotta end the video.